I recently uploaded a video demonstrating two methods to separate student name and their corresponding test score results. One with using go to special, another one with filter. Now somebody suggested using WRAPROWS function, which is excellent but exclusive to Microsoft 365 only. Let me demonstrate. Let's say we have the same data set here where you have student name and test result. In order to split this, you can use WRAPROWS, open parenthesis, and you highlight the raw data set like this, and you say comma 2. The reason why you have 2 is because you got two fields in it, student names and test result. You can see name and test result, close parenthesis, and hit enter. What WRAPROWS does is that it automatically splits the two rows, or rather the two data set or two fields, into two columns like this. The beauty of this is that this one, when you make changes here to, let's say 88, you can see that your WRAPROWS table get updated accordingly as well. And WRAPROWS is also powerful in the sense that when you have, like say for this one here, you have 4 different fields, and your raw is also have 4 different fields like this. You can simply use the WRAPROWS function like before, WRAPROWS with the S, open parenthesis, and then you highlight the raw data set again. And the second argument, now this time around, will be 4 because you have student name, test result, gender, and favorite food. Close parenthesis and hit enter, and it will split those raw data set into 4 different columns.